Now I am visiting our Imat. This one is the local market. They can selling everything here. The veggie is there, the chili is there, and then the anchovies also here. Everywhere people selling. This is our local market. Local market, you can find everything is in here. In Miri, this is in Miri, Sarawak. In Miri, Sarawak. This is our local veggie. It's a very famous in Miri, in Sarawak. People like to eat that. Okay, so this is our local Miri here, the market. You see this fungus? This fungus, they call it black fungus. They sell it also. The fruit, bananas is everywhere. And then this is a bamboo for them to cook the meat inside. There, this is our local veggie. Local veggie. Here you go. Local veggie here. Everywhere. See the beautiful ladies here waiting for the customer to come and buy the veggie. So, yeah, Tamu Imat. Come over to Tamu Imat next time. Huh? Okay, here. Veggie is here. Okay, I'm now visiting my friend. Somebody is buying her daunubi. They call it daunubi. It's a very famous veggie in Sarawak. Okay. Fruits everywhere. This is our local Imat, local Imat market. You can buy any fruits here. Any fruits, any veggie is available in this place. So if you come down to Miri, if you come down to Sarawak, please visit our local market here. You can buy, you can have anything that you want to taste. If you want to eat the local food, local veggie, you are welcome here. This one is potong asam. It's very nice to cook with belacan sambal. There is our beautiful friend there. This is her store. Thank you, sis.